Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make yummy and mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepared this yummy and delicious rice and beans. If you're interested in this video, please keep watching. For my new subscribers, I say you are welcome. For my old subscribers, thank you for stopping by. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing I did was to add some water into the pot and then bring to a rolling boil. Next, I will be adding the sliced onions. If you are the type that don't like onions, you can skip this part. Now, I will be adding some coconut oil. This is also optional as well. I will be adding some dry bay leaf into this to add more flavor. If you have fresh one, you can also use it as well. Next, I'll be adding salt. At this point, I will be adding the parboiled rice. You can use any rice of your choice. And then I will go ahead to stir this. And I will cover up to cook for some minutes before adding the next ingredient. After some minutes, I will open up the pot. Now I will be adding the cooked beans, which I just brought out from the freezer, and then I will give it a stir. And if you have watched up to this moment and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is free of charge to subscribe. Please go ahead to click that subscription bell and give this video a thumbs up and leave a good comment. Also, if you are watching this video and you come across some advert, please do not skip. I added some water and then I'm adding some salt again, just because when I was cooking the beans I did not add salt. Now I'll give everything a stir and then I will cover this up to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat, and then I will show you the next thing to do. After 10 to 15 minutes, I will be checking this up if it is well cooked or soft enough. I will then cover it up again to cook for another minute since our rice is not well cooked. Now the rice is fully cooked. Guys, at this point you can pair this up with anything of your choice. For me, I went ahead to serve this into my bowl, and then I used some tomato stew to eat this up. It was so delicious, it was so yummy. So guys, will you be giving this a try? Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Keep eating good food. Bye.